I've come as a peacemaker to settle the quarrel. Take an ice cream to cope, or soap, with it. Carefully remove the wrapping from an ice cream bar. Take it out and keep the wrapping. Eat the ice cream, keep the stick, and clean it. Make a notch in a bar of soap. Use a craft knife. Insert the stick into the notch. Put the soap bar into the wrapping. Hot glue the edge. We open the ice creams. I've got a tasty real one, and my friend's got a piece of soap. The ice creams have nothing in common except for the shape. On the other hand, she won't smudge her hands in chocolate. Nothing can distract my friend from her selfie, except my corn puff scent. She asks to treat her as well. I have a special bag for her. Open a bag of corn puffs. Put in crumpled paper cutouts instead. Hot glue the bag so it looks like it used to. My friend opens the bag and takes out crumpled paper. I just care about your figure. Stop throwing paper balls at me. I've got 2 packs of yogurt, an ordinary one and a special one for my friend. There's a double bottom in it. Take 2 packs of yogurt, eat 1 and clean the pack. Cut it out in half and remove the bottom. Carefully peel off the top from the other pack. Transfer the dessert into a cup. Leave a little yogurt on the bottom to make it heavier. Put the cutout bottom into the pack. Push it to hide the protruding edges. Fill the double-bottomed pack with yogurt. Carefully attach the top cover. My friend enjoys eating her yogurt, but it finishes too quickly. Though I've still got a lot. What's wrong? Have bifidobacteria eaten the whole yogurt? It's unfair! My friend takes care of her skin. Let's offer her super nourishing cream. Transfer cream from the jar into a clean cup. Wipe the jar with a napkin. Put in sour cream. Clean the edge and put on the top. My friend opens her cream and puts it on her face, though she realizes at once there's sour cream instead of makeup. It's a purely natural product, no additives. My friend asks me to give her my hand cream. Here you are. Enjoy my getting you back prank. Grate an onion. Suck the onion juice into a syringe. Eject it into a hand cream tube. My friend spreads the cream over her hands. What's this? Why do I smell as if I'd washed my hands in onion juice? Ugh! What's wrong with this cream? Is it a new onion-flavored brand? I urgently need to wash my hands. I'm going to prank my friend during art classes. I want to paint using my deodorant. Take apart an empty roll-on deodorant. Remove the ball. Squeeze acrylic paint into the container. If the paint is too thick, mix it with some water. Set the ball back. Take off the top and roll on over the paper to amaze your friend. It's a new tendency of contemporary art. It's deodor art. And your brushes are old-fashioned. If my friend's so keen on seeking new art techniques, let her try my crying marker. Take apart a marker. Pour a little water into the barrel. Assemble it again. While drawing with the marker, it leaves black spots and stains. My friend opens the marker and a little pool flows immediately out of the cap. Has it heard the call of nature? Anyway, I can't use it for drawing, except to make a stain. It's time to cook lunch. My friend cuts fruit to make a salad, and I try to open a sweet peas can. Correction, the pranking sweet peas can. Turn a sweet peas can upside down. Open it and remove the peas with the liquid. Fill the can with gummies. Hot glue the cut. Shake the can over her salad to let the filling out. What are you doing? Oh, why are there gummies here? Anyway, they'll add a new flavor to my salad. Thanks! My friend's gone, leaving her shawl next to me. She'd rather not do that. I may accidentally spill my nail polish on it. Spread some oil over a plate. Make sure the oil layer is very thin. Drop your nail polish on the plate. Let it dry. Peel off the polish and use it as a fake stain to prank your friend. Put the stain on your friend's shawl. Make sure to leave your polish bottle nearby. She finds this manicure stuff on her clothes and gets angry. But she soon realizes it's been a prank. I can't be angry with my friend for a long time, nor can she. We've been pranking each other for some time. Now it's enough. Let's make up and take a funny selfie together. We hope you never quarrel with your friends about our pranks. Write in your comments which pranks you liked the most. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and click the bell so you don't miss our new prank wars.